good a day later.
With new batteries.
I told her she'd
What's
get
she
used
doing?
You know those
I'm sorry. I won't shoot you.
Videoing.
Actually, I moved just because of the sun. I'm looking for a little shade. It seemed like a good spot right behind you, Aunt Judy. Get so much sun in Florida.
What happened to the umbrella?
Yeah,
It's right there.
your other pictures are probably just washed out because you had the sun in there.
You think so? I think you look pretty handsome. You're the best looking of the Zwart brothers, right?
that what they
what we
say?
don't
You
know
know,
is if we ever had a fire,
It's
video
nice
will
that
work.
somebody recognized
You
it.
finally
Yeah,
admit
very
it.
nice.
The truth comes out.
Yeah.
Well, the truth
Yeah,
comes out,
because
huh?
I always thought
one
that,
of-
but I never
they
really
want to
knew.
beep all the time, and I don't know which one is beeping.
Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
You didn't want to hurt anybody's feelings, you know, but,
Okay.
you know.
Well, next time you're a
Bernard's
mile away,
work
we're
is,
going to figure out
confesses,
what's wrong with
best
them, and we're going to
looking
put all
guy
new batteries in it
in the
and see if we can get it to keep
Just make
quit
sure you
beeping.
got a good battery in your hearing.
Frank's the oldest. I'm next. I don't know.
We won't use him. I'll stand underneath him. I can hear him. I'm the one that has to stand under him. I said it's this one. There's one upstairs. He says, is there one beeping upstairs? I said, yes, there is.
Already can't hear him anyway.
Huh?
Eh? Say that again?
Coffee too. Okay. I gotta have.
So what do you have to do? Just fix that window and that's it? How many miles on it?
Almost 3
Yeah.